Tired of cluttered countertops around your Keurig coffee maker? Imagine keeping all your favorite K-cup pods within arm's reach without sacrificing precious kitchen space. The Keurig Rolling Storage Drawer is designed to do exactly that. It's the ultimate space-saving solution for any coffee lover who values both convenience and organization. What sets this storage drawer apart is its thoughtful design. It fits perfectly underneath all Keurig Classic and Plus series machines, measuring 125 inches high, 85 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. That means it slides right under your coffee maker, holding up to 35 K-cup pods or 15 K-Carafe pods. You get plenty of room to stock your favorite blends and flavors, while your countertop stays clean and clutter-free. The real game changer? The wheeled rolling system. Instead of awkwardly reaching behind your machine to refill water or clean, you simply pull the entire drawer, coffee maker and all, forward and backward with ease. This smooth mobility makes your daily coffee routine faster and more enjoyable. Plus, the durable metal construction, finished in sleek black, matches any kitchen style and meets the highest quality and safety standards. One user shared how impressed they were with the craftsmanship. The drawer handle looks just like a real kitchen drawer handle, and the casters make it easy to open the top of the Keurig without hassle. This clever design means no more juggling your coffee maker while trying to insert pods. Just slide it out and brew. It's a smart, stylish way to save space and keep your kitchen organized. If you're looking to streamline your coffee station, the Keurig Rolling Storage Drawer is worth a look. It keeps your beverages close, your counters clear, and your coffee prep effortless. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen setup and enjoy a tidier, more efficient coffee experience.